16-inch MacBook M1 Pro for repair. See, PP 3V 8V shorted to the ground. See, IC totally shorted and PCB also burned. There is a PCB layer also shorting. For this purpose, we connect external power supply of 3.8 volt. See, this is our external power supply for 3.8 volt. Before it's no power, totally dead system. Now see, after 3.8 volt external connection, we connect our DC power supply. See, and as soon as we on DC power supply, see, it's convert 5 to 20 volt also, and there is taking ampere. See, and show you the voltages. Multimeter भी दिखना बोलते हैं. See the voltages. PP bus 12.5 volt, and this is our V out. See, this is the ground, and voltage out 3.8 volt. See, multimeter, and system is powered on now. We have to check assembly cabinet and check display. Thank you. We connect now power supply, fan spin. This is our 3.8 volt, and this is display. The unrepaired motherboard worth rupees 50,000 we repaired successfully with the help of this jugaad. Now we have to assemble full laptop and check all other accessories. This MacBook is now repaired. Thank you.